And that platform's going to be made out of this. So if I can balance across here a little bit. Wait. So I'm moving across here. Like a tightrope walker. So that's this stuff here. These 25s by 150s are going to be put on here, across here, to create this platform. And the reason for the platform is that I need that so that I'm not having to jump in and out of this foundation when I'm putting the next bit of floor down. I can do it from above, kind of thing. So that's that. Why am I putting the noggins in yet? The studs in. The reason I'm not putting the studs in yet is because it's an attempt to save on material. So if I cut up a piece of 6 metre timber to put these pieces in here, these studs in, then I've just wasted a piece, because as you know, as you're cutting these pieces in and these pieces in, there's always going to be some left over, and those leftover pieces invariably go in, make the studs up. So to cut a piece down specifically for that would be a waste. So the studs can go in at any time, really. All it is coming along with a nail gun and banging them in. It's no big deal. So we leave those out and until timber becomes available. So I've got some offcuts. And offcuts going to there. That's what that's about. That's the next stage while I'm here this time is just literally to cover up this here with timber, and then to maybe I'm going to put in the entranceway, the small deck there that will form the entranceway into the house. Maybe I will do that. I don't know yet. I've got very little nails here at the moment, so we weren't actually planning to come up and build anything this time. So, but anyway, we'll see how we go on. Well, I've been busy moving this timber over. Sorry I didn't record this, but I didn't bring my tripod with me this time, so it's very difficult to put the phone anywhere. So unfortunately I didn't video that, but there wasn't much to see anyway. But as you can see, I've got this Dimofka, these 150s by 25s down here, and all sprayed, and there's some other stuff over there that's 100 by 25s and 150 by 25s, which will be used over here. So I'm not sort of double moving them for no reason. They're on there they'll be used over here. This is only put down temporarily, by the way, this flooring here.